So this is a trail to going Chundhali Trek, and very rocky and steps, stony step chest inside of the boundary. This is a suspensive bridge. We are going to over this bridge to Chundhali Trek. This is a Chundhali Trek. It's on the rock, put the box bridge. We're going to further this box bridge.